Hello Aries, welcome back to my channel at the rate of Mysterious Girl Soumya. So I am your tarot card reader, healer, stylist and chef by hobby, and today I am going to do your guidance for November. What is there in November for your career and love? Okay, I'll take all together your energies and all. So this is a general reading guys, take what resonate with you. Okay, so let's start with my Aries. What is there for Aries in November? Okay, Page of Cups. Okay, I got Page of Cups. I feel like you are deeply thinking about something regarding it's a love or career. Most probably, I'm having a feeling of a love, like you have lost someone, maybe. So you are deeply thinking about them. Okay, or for others, it can be a new person if you are thinking, or you are just deeply thinking about someone you love. Okay, this person you have lost it. Okay, and you want to offer them a love, or they can offer you same. Okay, for others I can say you will meet someone who can think about you deeply, or this same person can think about you very deeply. What is there for Aries in love? What is there for Aries in love? What is there for Aries in November regarding love? What is there for Aries in November? Aries in November. See, I told you, you are thinking, okay, Aries, you are very highly intuitive. This person you can deal, either they can be very highly intuitive, or you are thinking about them like what I am having a feeling like they can be a tarot reader, a psychic, or a healer. Some of them can be a doctor, okay, your person, and they are also very, very, very highly intuitive, okay. You can deeply think about them, but you are thinking very too much about them, okay. See, if I take these cards together, you are getting crazy about them. Like this person can be very pure by heart, okay. You might have lost them in the past, okay, but right now they are in too much of abundance. They are highly intuitive, and you are also deeply thinking about them. You want to offer them a cup, okay, most of you, or they can come to you too. But I am having a feeling like you will give them offer, okay, because you have lost them. You might have done something wrong with them, okay. इट इज़ लाइक दैट. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों ने आप लोगों ने गलती की हो, और कुछ लोगों के लिए इस पर्सन ने आपको लेफ्ट ओवर किया हो किसी रीज़न से. ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ देयर फॉर यू इन लव एट नवंबर. What is there for Aries in love? Okay, I already got two cards. I feel like you have got two options, but you don't want to take it. Okay, you have got option in love also. You are not taking it, guys. Okay, because you are in deeply love with this person. Okay, and they are also very pure by heart. They also love you a lot, and I am having a feeling you will not take any options regarding them, because they were this is like a soul love. Okay, this is a spiritual love. You can be like dealing with your twin flame, guys. Okay, and this person is very passionate about you. You can be very passionate about them, okay, and you love the way they are. Okay, you want to go very fast towards them. There might be a traveling, though there is a COVID-19 right now, but there can be a big traveling, okay, regarding love. Okay, you either you can go to them, or they can come to you. It is like that, okay, but there will be a marriage between you both. It's a spiritual journey, guys, between you both in love. Okay, see, with this person you will definitely get abundance. Okay, for most of you. Okay, this person can be from past. You are getting too many options, but you don't want to take it because you are still into them and you are deeply thinking about them. Okay, and most of you, for others, this person can think about you, vice versa. Okay, guys, so take what resonate. Now let's see what is there for you in career. Angels will please guide me. What is there for Aries regarding career? Aries, please guide me. What is there for Aries in career? What are you so stressful about, Aries? I feel there are financial issues. Okay, you are dealing with some financial issues right now. There is a karmic cycle regarding your career also. See, Knight of Cups. A good offer is not coming towards to you. I feel there is some situation which is stopping right now, which is pandemics or anything. It can be anything. You have lost too many jobs at past also. Okay, and most of you are not working also right now, Aries. And most of you are doing work from home. What is there for Aries in career for November? What is there for Aries regarding career in November? See, there is a stoppage, blockages in your life. So you need to get out of that blockage. Don't think so much. Whatever options coming towards to you, you have to accept it. Okay, you are not accepting those offers. Okay, offer will come to you. Okay, you can travel around. Okay, it is like that. And whichever job you are thinking, you might travel, you go out, and it will be abundant job. So just take the option. Don't be blindfolded. Just take it. See, it will be there. You will get it if you simply take care of your mind and just think of your offer. So just take regarding your career. Right now you are not in a balanced state regarding anything, whether it's a career or love. But in career you have to make it a balance. You have to take a move in November. Most of you will take a move and you will definitely get your victory regarding your career. Okay, right now there are no chances. Okay, let's see again what's there in love. I'll take another guidance in love for you in November. Okay, what is there for my Aries in love? What is there for my Aries in love? Spirit angel, please guide me. Spirit angel, please guide me. What are there for Aries in love? Okay. See, very soon you are totally confused regarding your love. Like you are not getting the answer what you want. Okay, so clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Okay, so Aries, so decide clearly what you want in love. Okay, if you want your that person, so go to that person. If you want another one, then go to another one, but don't be confused because you are still into same person whom you loved a lot or they loved you a lot. Okay, you guys were soulmate. Okay, आप जिस भी पर्सन के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, मेरे को लगता है ये जो भी थे पास से थे आपके, he they were your twin flame soulmate. You lost them, okay, because of your problems and all. So think and take actions for them. This is a general reading again. So yes, this is your soulmate. Okay, as I told, this is your soulmate because over here also I told this is a soul connection, soulful connection. Okay, very soulful connection. So you both think about each other, you both love each other. Might you have lost them, but they were the one for you. And like you are showing them something else, that you don't care for them. You maybe left them out of cold, or they might have left over you out of cold. Okay, so this person still loves you, or you can still love them. Okay, Aries, I'm getting this type of vibes only from you all. Someone is wearing a false mask in this relationship. This card doesn't mean that it is a negative card. It is, for some, it is a very positive card. So आप उनको कुछ और दिखा रहे थे, you were projecting them something else. Okay, so it is like that. And there are like third parties involved in your relationship, as there is a children card. यहाँ पे children card आया है, यहाँ पे third parties involved है बहुतों की. एंड हो सकता है कुछ के पर्सन आप जो डील कर रहे हैं एरीज, आप लोग भी मैरिड हो सकते हैं या आपके पर्सन भी मैरिड हो सकते हैं. दे कैन बी अ डिवोर्सी ऑल्सो. They had break up with you, or you might deal with a person who have lots of children. Okay, so it can be like that. You are having a great chemistry with this person, and you will have a chemistry once you take a moment. So in November you will have a great chemistry over ahead. I feel this person is from past only, guys. This is from past. There is no love between you both, but some of the love is still left. Okay, it's just you have to decide what you want, Aries. If you still love them, just allow them. Don't just block your heart. You have to just forgive them and just release them. Everything will be all right. What is there for Aries in career? Please, spirit guides, please guide me. What is there for Aries in career? What is the answer for them? Silence. Being silent won't give you answer. You have to get out of this silent mode, okay? Regarding your career, you have to take action. If you have left your job before, right? You have to make up any decision. If you're working at home, you have to work more harder, earn good, and take actions more. Being silent won't take anything, okay? Won't resolve anything. There will be some rebellion regarding your career, so you have to take action, guys, because you are not taking actions, you are not getting any answers. So you will get your answers soon once you start taking actions for your work, Aries. There is a politics going behind your back in your office, guys. Okay, Aries, so you need to be careful regarding your work. There is lots of politics. People you are talking to, be careful with them and just handle with care, because people around you are poisonous regarding your love life also and regarding your career also, which you don't know. You are too much blindfolded. Okay, because over here also you are just like blind. You don't know what to do. You are just acting too much innocent. Don't act innocent. Just be what you are. You don't have to listen to others, Aries. Okay. Regarding career and love, no. Just take your action. Listen to your heart, what your heart says. And if you are compromising still, don't compromise. You not need to compromise. In November also, you not need to compromise. You might not compromise for whatever is happening with you. At the ultimatum, you are like a world. Universe is with you. They are guiding you, but you are not listening to the universe. अगर आप किसी भी भगवान को मानते हैं, आपको वो गाइड कर रहे हैं, ओके, भगवान को या गुरु को या किसी को भी, जस्ट टेक universe guide. You will get the answer. You are not taking help of universe. Even universe thinks that you are joking with them. Please don't, Aries. Okay, some of my Aries, not everyone, but universe is with you, so take help from them regarding your career. All over, I'll say universe is with you, guys. Okay, regarding love and career, everything will be good at November. So hope you all liked my reading. Do let me know on comment box section if anything resonated with you. Please, guys, please tell me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share with your friends. Okay, guys, you can do with me a personal reading if you want to. You can find me with Tarot with Swami on Instagram. So see you soon, guys, with my next reading. Bye bye.